Hi there, students. Haptic, an adjective meaning related to the sense of touch, tactile. Haptics, the study of the sense of touch, the scientific study of touch. Now, haptics is interesting nowadays because there are various devices, electronic devices that that let you know that something is happening because you can feel a vibration or a push or something happening. So, for example, your mobile phone vibrates perhaps when somebody is ringing you. This physical feeling it means that your telephone is a haptic device. Yeah, you can feel it buzzing. And haptics, I think, is an important thing, or will be an important thing in the technology of the future. We will be able to feel the worlds that we become immersed in. And I think we will be able to feel them better and better. Now, I think the first haptic device that I ever saw was the Rumble Pack on the Nintendo 64, and it vibrated when you got hit or when you fired. And that is the beginning of haptic devices. A haptic screen, you press something on your screen and it vibrates or it pushes back so that you know something has happened, or you press the key and the whole thing buzzes. This is a haptic effect as well. So these are touch based devices, or a haptic pen that can feel the difference between different textures. Okay, so haptic, interactive haptic technology. I think this is something that's going to become more and more important over over the next 20 or 30 years. A haptic mouse would allow you to feel the different things as you move over the window. Yeah, so imagine you move it onto the right thing and you feel something. So haptic is talking about sensory feedback. Yeah, it's giving you precise confirmation about what you're doing. It gives you better control. Okay, so haptic, related to the sense of touch. Haptics, the study of user interfaces that use the sense of touch. Okay, so this I think is quite interesting. Haptic communication. You can communicate with animals by touching, not by sound. You touch someone. Or haptic perception, the art of recognizing objects by the way that they feel. Yeah, this is tactile. It's working on the sense of touch. So haptic feedback devices give us an illusion and reinforce the virtual world. Okay, and this is why haptics is going to be important in the future. Haptic devices, I think these could be really interesting. A pair of haptic gloves for a pair of goggles that put you in an immersive world. Okay, formality. Be careful with this word because I think a lot of native speakers are not going to know what it means. 6.5 informality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. You're going to have to explain what it means. And as to origin, it comes from haptikos in ancient Greek. Able to come in contact with, from hapto, to touch. Okay, so touch. Yeah, and this is what haptic or haptics is about. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Haptic. Haptics.